Welcome to the Anna Darpan Contract Management Module demo. In Anna Darpan, the Handling and Transport Contract (HTC) plays a critical role in enabling end-to-end logistics operations at depots. This contract governs both handling activities, such as loading and unloading, and transportation between source and destination locations. We will walk through how a handling and transport contract is created, reviewed, and approved at the regional level using the Contract Management module. Log in as regional office staff and navigate to Contract Management. Create HNTC. Select the contract type as regular. Select the contractor, choose the district. Enter the tender number. And enter the contract start and end dates, then click Next. On the depot configuration screen, select the applicable depot. Under the Activity Rates plan, select the activity. Enter the rate per bag for different slab ranges, then click Add Activity to include additional rows if required. Click Next to proceed. Enter the security amount and provide bank guarantee details including BG number, issuing bank name, amount, issue date, valid up to date, and extension date. If additional bank guarantee details are required, enable the option Add or remove rows as needed, and continue. In the route details section, select the source, destination type, destination region, and destination location. Enter average transit time, distance in kilometers, rate in metric tons or kilometers as applicable, number of trucks, and volume. Select the two-way option if the contract is bidirectional and add more route records if required. Finally, click Submit to create the Handling and Transport contract. Now navigate to Contract Management, Handling and Transport contract list to view the created request. Click on Pending tab. Click on the View icon against the required contract to review all entered details, then click Back to List to return. Log in as Regional Manager and navigate to Contract Management, Handling and Transport contract list. Search for the required contract and click the Approve icon under the Actions column. Review the contract details carefully, then confirm approval in the pop-up dialog. Click on the Approve tab. Select any contract and click the View icon to examine the contract details before returning to the list. This completes the Handling and Transport contract workflow in Anna Darpan. By following this structured process, regions can ensure transparent contracting, accurate rate configuration, and seamless handling and transport operations across depots. Thank you.